Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Clash of Clans game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to install an Android emulator in order to play this game on your PC. So open up your web browser and then download any Android emulator of your choice. You can use BlueStacks.com in the address bar and then click on the download BlueStacks option in order to download the BlueStacks emulator, and once it is downloaded, just open it up and click through the next buttons to install it on your system. Once it is installed, open up your Android homepage and then click on System Apps and click on Play Store. You may need to log into your account using your Google ID. After logging in, just tap on the search box and then type in Clash of Clans and start your search. Once you find the game, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Clash of Clans game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the play button, which you can tap on in order to enjoy the game on your PC. It will also create a desktop shortcut which you can double click on to directly run the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Clash of Clans game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.